So you kindly shared with us your institution statistics around MEG scans and how the number of scans have increased since 2012. Can you elaborate on the reasons for this increase and how the usage of MEG has made a difference to your department and patients?
Right. So we acquired the MEG scan in 2012, and as you can look at the graph, gradually over the period of years, our MEG scan numbers per year have increased. And I think one thing which was really helpful was the physician or the epileptologist involvement in doing the MEG scan, because we are part of the epilepsy team. Most of the patients we are familiar with, why they are here, why they are getting the MEG scan, and what is the question people are trying to ask or they want an answer from. So that kind of gradually developed our interest in the MEG scan. And as you can see from the graph, the number of the MEG scan have increased. Till last year, we were the only MEG center in the North Texas, providing services not only to the pediatric patients, but the adult patients as well. But our number gradually, as we saw the validity of the MEG scan, our number of MEG scan gradually increased as the graph shows it. But this is 2021. I would like to tell to my colleagues, the neurologists, the epileptologists, you don't need to wait for that many years to start using the MEG scan. There is wealth of information now. There is a hardcore evidence which has been put up by the American Clinical MEG Society and our other leading societies, and we believe that MEG scan is no more a conventional investigational tool. It is not an experimental entity anymore. We really believe the statement that MEG scan should be a standard of care for patients who are undergoing a pre-surgical evaluation.